Hello, my name is Vivian Bino, and I am the librarian for your course, Human Rights in Asia with Dr. Nalanda Roy. This is a short introduction to the guide so that you understand how to use it for your class. This library guide will be used to provide resources for your work in human rights. It will be your go-to site for your course readings, videos, learning objectives, and course assessments. If you look here on the Start Here page, my contact information is here if you would like to schedule a research appointment. If you have questions about the research in this class or in other classes, feel free to send me an email, call me, or if you select the Schedule Appointment box, it takes you to a page where you can see my availability to schedule in-person or a virtual appointment. Be sure to let me know if you would like to meet in person or virtually. I am located on the Armstrong campus, so students who are physically in Savannah are welcome to come in the library here and meet with me. If you're not, you're welcome to call me or schedule a virtual appointment. Your professor's contact information is here as well, with her phone number and email address and a bio. There's also an introduction video that you can view from Dr. Roy. When you go down a little bit on the page under course reading, you will see the link to your textbook for this class. This link goes to an electronic book that we have here virtually in the library. You want to be sure that if you are off campus, you sign in to be able to access the textbook. Remember that all of your login information is your My Georgia Southern account information. Once you log in with the link, you will select eBook Central ProQuest Georgia Southern. You can read your textbook directly online by selecting Read Online and go to the chapter and section that you need in your course. You cannot print out the entire book as that would be a copyright violation, but you can print a small number of pages. This is accessible anywhere you have access to a computer, a tablet, or a cell phone. So back on your course guide, you will also see a PowerPoint lecture under your course reading, links to current information related to the topics in your class, and human rights reports. At the top, these are the tabs for you to navigate through your modules. So once you get to the first part of your course under Module 1, you will see a description, the introduction and objectives, and important videos and resources that you'll need to access. Each module will cover different countries and information related to those countries. Some modules include videos, whether they are TED Talks or movies in Kanopy. Kanopy is our streaming video platform. To access the Kanopy videos when you are off campus, you will also have to use your My Georgia Southern login information. The very last tab here is Citation Help. When you need to write a paper for your class or present information, it's important that you cite it properly. So we have linked to our library guide about citation, so please be sure to access it for further assistance. And that is the brief introduction to how to use and access your library guide. If you need further assistance, be sure to contact me by sending me an email, giving me a phone call, or scheduling an appointment. Thank you and good luck in your course.